Patrick from the Galleria has a question about a return air.
It's a problem in his high-rise. Patrick writes, the one and only return air filter does not suck up dust after about 3 months. He says, I tried changing the filters, but after 3 months, it was clean as it was when I put it in. I had duct cleaning recently, but it didn't help, he says, and the building engineer doesn't know what to do. Tom, do you think Patrick has a problem?
I don't think so. I think that people expect their air conditioning filters to get filthy and collect all the dust in the home.
Well, yeah.
It doesn't.
Okay.
It's not an air cleaner. All it is if they have any schmutz that wants to get into the system, it'll pick it up before it gets into the evaporator coil. But what you can do is, simple as this, see this piece of paper? When the system's running, put it up against the grill. If it sucks up against the grill and kind of holds itself there, then you probably have no problem at all. If it falls down, you might have a breach in the return air somewhere where it's sucking air in from a closer spot or an area that's not the interior of the home. So that's an easy way to check it. And if that's the case, somebody's got to get up in there and fix the breach.
To be precise, a piece of paper like that one. You don't need this one.
No, but we can send it to you if you want.
Yeah, just send us a self-addressed.
We can scan it.
Send us a self-addressed stamp envelope to Tom Tynan, Anytown, USA.
Yeah.
All right. You got a question, we'll help you out. Send us your question to HomeShowRadio.com. This is the internet now, okay? Go to HomeShowRadio.com and use the Ask Tom form. Fill it out. Send it in. We'll answer it just like that, like these videos over here. And we'd sure appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel.